In this presentation, I'm going to show you the top things to avoid when investing in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency is relatively new that, if careful, investors can consider when they are looking to diversify their assets. However, before you dive in and start investing in cryptocurrency, you should consider these 5 things to avoid when investing, so you can make the smartest decision to meet your needs. Not considering problems of fraud and security. Cryptocurrency is steeped in digital technology, with every transaction, from mining to purchasing and selling, taking place online. This can pose a serious threat, according to regulators, because you can easily fall into the trap of participating in fake exchanges. Do your research and verify the legitimacy of the exchanges and their security processes for all transactions. Avoid high fees. One way that you may be able to avoid the high fees associated with trading cryptocurrencies is by buying and selling through a cryptocurrency wallet. This is something that you can download on your smartphone. While cryptocurrency wallets still have transaction fees, they won't be nearly as high as the fees at an exchange. Avoid buying derivatives. When looking for your next cryptocurrency investment, crypto derivative trading may not be the way to go. Derivatives, including Bitcoin futures, have the potential for more significant losses. While it's impossible to predict the crypto market, you can utilize smart investing practices to save you from making a detrimental investment. Cashing it all in. Diversifying your portfolio can be your guarantee against losing everything. Cryptocurrency has become known for its volatile nature, and its unpredictability regarding returns can either provide you a huge profit or a devastating loss. Selling when emotionally hyped. When trading in digital currencies, it's best to remain level-headed as much as possible. When you continually reevaluate your position, you can determine the best strategy to make. Also, it's best to keep in mind that you don't want to invest more than you can afford to lose when investing in cryptocurrencies. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, there are no hard or fast rules that you need to follow. Always take the time to do the research and always think twice before making a decision. Make sure that you are taking the necessary time to make the best choices for your specific situation.